Welcome to our channel. In this channel, we basically review various ICO program, the projects we personally invest in or the token we buy. We only review those projects, and we review only those projects which have the potential to be profitable. Undoubtedly, those are very lucrative topics. If you do a little research and participate in them, you can benefit as much as we do. So let's start today's video without wasting time. In today's video, we will discuss about CEZO token. I think this is a very profitable program. So let's go their website and check out the program. So friends, this is the official website of CEZO token. Here we can get every information of these projects. Look, this is their home, CEZO OS, team, token, roadmap, and contact with them. Then white paper, all options are there, and we can get every information about these projects in there. So now we check the website and get some more information about this token. CEZO is off-chain computation using a custom Linux operating system to reduced blockchain load and faster processing. It is a specially designed decentralized operating system and infrastructure that enable the creation of good ecosystem that the app need to run. With CEZO, developer can feel significant improvement in calculation and processing speed, which cannot be achieved with conventional technology. CEZO is built with the Linux system architecture and utilize off-chain and blockchain technology, which will save various problems usually faced by the app. For example, compilation speed, hardware and OS limitations, verifications, then reproducibility, security, and runtime, and several other problem, and make the blockchain ecosystem is becoming faster and more efficient. So now we check about the team. This is the team: Manuel Silva, blockchain developer, then Antonio Francis, CEO, then David Cavalli, the front-end developer, and then Peter Chen, full stack engineer. After that, Albert Moraski, software engineer. Some feature of CEZO tokens: transparency. CEZO keeps operating running transparency following the value of decentralized, which priority transparency. Reliability: all process and calculations will carried out by CEZO, so that all computations can be concluded as reliable by user. Efficiency: yes, CEZO will be reduce delay in calculations, since everything is being done off chain, which will increase of efficiency. Speed is the main goal of using services like CEZO. With CEZO's processing, smart contract filtering, token etc, it can be done several times faster. Flexibility: CEZO can be used by various developers and with a variety of hardware compatible with the blockchain and operating system. Security: CEZO pays close attention to security because security is paramount in the online data processing. Then scalability: with the arrival of CEZO, there is no other reason for distractation or debaters to complain about the efficiency of the decentralization. Innovation: CEZO provides service that enable developer to create faster, more flexible, and more scalable DApp, which can be said to be innovative. Now we can check the roadmap of this project. So we move to the roadmap. Here is the first quarter 2019 problem research and initial blockchain draft. Then second quarter 2019 start the ICO white paper 1.0 and internal testing. Then third quarter 2029 closed source code is ready. Then third quarter of then fourth quarter of 2019 code inspection, testing, and final verification. Then first quarter of 2020 CEZO token maintaining. Then second quarter of 2020 advertising bounty and ICO. Then third quarter of 2020 software DF run on CEZO OS. Then fourth quarter of 2020 Trustnet. After that, first quarter of 2021, POS mainnet main support enabled. Then their last plan, second quarter of 2021, SDK or signature code publishing. You can contact with them with this section. Look here, your name and mail, and then you write your message and send it to them. This is the official social media site of this project, so you can get update from this social media site. Friends, so far this was our video for today. We hope you like it, and all of you like us will participate in this ICO program and hold it for some days and make a good profit from this project. Thanks for watching the full video. Please share, like and share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel for get more update. Thanks for watching full video. See you in the next video. Thank you.